Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of our Certified Supplier Initiative Yongjia Factory Tour. Now, this has been launched and organized by China Toy and Juvenile Products Association, and we're here to evaluate the factory of the company behind me right now based on our 5 criteria. These are product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and of course, social responsibility. Today, we are here in Yongjia. As one of the famous manufacturing regions in China, Yongjia is also known as a major production hub of playground equipment. Alright, so today we are here at the factory of Liben Group Corporation. Now, let me just share a little bit of insight about the company. So, the company was established in 2011, and in fact, this month it was actually their 10th year anniversary. Now, the factory alone, the floor area is actually around 16,000 square meters. Now, they mainly produce, I'm going to categorize this in 3 categories, alright? Let's start with the indoor series. So they mainly produce trampoline parks, indoor playground, outdoor playground, which is under now this time with the outdoor series. The outdoor playground, swing, seesaw, spring rider, rocking horse, a climbing frame, and then the other category is the site amenity series, which are the outdoor fitness equipment and park bench, among many others. Now, they mainly produce or they mainly export to the markets such as EU or Europe, Southeast Asia, North America, and South America, among many other regions around the world. That means they are compliant with the EN 1146, ASTM F1487, and too many to mention because they export to these countries, they make sure that they're actually compliant. That means safety and quality is met within these regions. Now, I cannot really wait to go around this factory because I'm going to be sharing with you their workshops, their facilities, and their showrooms. So I want you to stick around and just enjoy the video. Now we're in one of their workshops, and of course they follow standard production process and strict quality management systems. Now behind me is actually one of their welding facilities, and what they do is all the metal work is being done from this workshop. Now I just want to mention that the workshops have about 12,000 square meters. They have around 50 workers here, and this area alone consists of the cutting area, the welding area, which is beside me, and then the customized production area, color powder coating area, woodworking area, sewing area, packaging area, all these different workshops, all in this facility or factory alone from Liben Group Corporation. Now, the production equipment that they do have covers from, they have 3 sets of CNC cutting machines, they have 4 sets of electric cutting machines, they have 12 sets of welding machines, they have color powder coating production line, 2 sets of sewing machines, 10 sets of sewing machines, 1 set roto or rotating molding machine, and weaving machines. Alright, so actually above me is a special equipment which I'll be sharing with you in a bit. But we are actually here right now at their powder coating facility. This is where all the galvanized iron, all the galvanized pipes, plates, all the parts that are galvanized or iron or metal will be painted, and it goes through this, it's like a carousel, so they slowly move. They'll go through these different chambers where they'll be powder coated. Now, the difference with a regular spray paint or powder coated part is, of course, it is more even, and I can't even smell paint here. That's one of the advantage. Now, getting back, what I wanted to share with you earlier on is this special machine that's above this powder coating facility. As you can see now, right now it's actually moving. It's going to go through the process. But above this facility or this machine actually is a special machine or equipment that actually ensures that this facility or this process is also environmental friendly, not only for the environment, also for the employees. I mean, I'm here right now and there's actually powder coating session that's going on right now, and I cannot even smell a single particle of paint, really. So it's for the safety of the employees and for the safety of the environment. Right, so I'm in another workshop here, and this workshop is actually pretty special because it's actually a new facility, and it's Liben's sub company or sub branch of Liben, which is Yunber. They're actually in charge more on the woodwork. What I'm saying here is anything that comes with wood in all of their products, everything is made and processed here. That's why I am actually holding a stool here. All right, this stool was actually from raw materials. It's being cut. I believe you're going to be seeing some videos right now from cutting to varnishing to gluing, and all these things happen here at Yunber's workshop. So what I have here actually is one stool. It's a finished product. Everything it's glued and everything. But I want to highlight something really special in this facility. As you can see, we have this carousel kind of type of a conveyor, all right? It's hanging up in the air. Actually, there are rooms and rooms of this facility. Now, this conveyor or this carousel type actually runs through this whole maze. I want to show it here if you follow me. So, it enters this one of the many rooms actually, because it requires like 2 layers of varnish, because we're talking about wood. When we talk about wood, you need to protect the wood from external forces, like for example water, rain, sunshine, right? So they varnish these woods to protect the product itself. The unpainted finished product will enter this conveyor or this carousel system. It will enter this facility, it will enter to another room, and then there's also a drying area on that side. This is really huge. I think it's about 6 or 7 stories because we were climbing this facility. So on this facility is more about the spray painting or the varnishing, and then below it they have the part where they actually cut and resize all the woodwork, and all these at the bottom of the building. I would also like to add that all these tools, for example, because they focus on children's or kindergarten schools, right? So they have cooperated with different government institutions all around China locally. That means all these products actually have passed specific standards for safety, because we're talking about here about kids, kindergarten, right? So these tools, for example, they have passed the local or the national standards. Now, I know you're gonna be asking this. Maybe you are a foreign customer. You're from Europe or America. Don't worry, guys, because Yunber actually is already applying for test reports to apply for standards that will comply with the European or the international regions. So anyway, let's go to the other facility. All right, on their workshop, actually, they have this quality inspection area. And actually, I have my friend over here. What he's doing specifically, he's randomly checking on all the products that are here to match the requirements of their clients or customers. So what he's doing right now, actually, he's using ultrasound technology. All right, and he's a coupling agent. What he's doing right now is he's using ultrasound technology to check the thickness of this specific pipe. He needs to check the thickness of the pipe based on the customer or client's requirements and also the government's standard. So he's checking on different parts of this pipe. It's a part of one of the playground products that they have. So he's checking here not only the thickness of the pipe, he also has this special tool here where he actually checks the thickness of the paint as well, because not only the thickness of the pipe should follow a certain regulation or a requirement, also the paint. All right, so joining me right now is Milo. Hello, Milo.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
He's the director from the international sales, and he will help me out. Where I am right now, I am in one of their showroom. When I say one, I am not kidding. That is an understatement. It is a really huge facility. I mean, Milo was showing me around earlier, right? Remember? So we went upstairs for the outdoor.
Yeah.
And then here, the indoor. And I couldn't get enough of this place. It's like I'm 12 years old again, you know?
Yeah.
So anyway, so without further ado, let's go ahead and enter one of your showrooms, Milo.
Okay.
So how big is this facility?
For this showroom is about over 1,000 square meter. And here I would like to show you first one is about one part of our business is for indoor playground.
Okay, so wait, this is the indoor playground.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is usually for kids, and here we also customize the height because for some parts of playground, parents will become with his kids. So here we make it about over 2 meters. So it will be allowed the parents come in and play with his kids.
Yeah, let me just react to that. That is so true because I am a father myself. I have 4 kids. Believe it or not, I have 4 kids. So when I enter to like little playground or like something like this, an outdoor playground or indoor playground, is I try to go with my toddler. He's 3 or 4 years old, and it's so cramped and it's so small. And I mean, these are toddlers, so I don't know what they're doing there. So things like that. So this one specifically, it's also based on your customer's requirement. And for this one, it's actually 2 meters so that the parents can actually join as well.
Yes. We also can customize according to the height of your buildings and the colors and the theme. Also can be customized for you according to customers' requirements.
So earlier on, I went to the research and development area, and there was. You have around 22 R&D or designers, and there's a special, how would I say this? A special department or people who do that specifically for the customers to customize, like what you mentioned, the height of the building, the customer's requirements. Maybe they want the ceiling within the playground to be, 2 meters. It depends, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what else can you show me here? I mean, it's really huge, and I really need help from Milo because Milo, being the director of international sales, he knows all these products very well. So what's next?
Okay,
what do you want to share?
Next one is about our trampoline park because this is very popular for the indoor amusement park. And this is every people, kids and adults, they both love it. And here, let's go and have a try.
Okay, all right. Oh my God, I'm getting excited, Milo.
You can have a try here.
Yeah, I mean,
Jump with me, okay? You can
oh my gosh. Oh my God. So, Milo, I just wanted to ask, so this is, wow, that was so much fun. So, Milo, I can't help but laugh. That's so much fun. So aside from, I just wanted to know specifically, so this type of playground, this trampoline park, is it for kids? What are the age bracket that it can actually
And over 5 years is okay for the kids, and also both for the adults is also okay. So parents and the kids can be both play in our trampoline parks.
So parents and kids can go. So this whole facility, if, for example, I'm a client, I'm a customer, and I have a small warehouse that let's say I invested in, and then you guys can actually customize everything.
Yes, everything. We can add the functions according to your ideas because we have a lot of functions like the basketball, foam pit, climbing wall, and interact walls. So we will give you the videos and show you how to play it, and the customer can choose what games they want to add into your parks.
Okay, so I can see so many things here. I can see like even a basketball ring over there, rock climbing or wall climbing. I can see some soft play, some foams over here, the trampolines themselves. Also, what is this again? This one?
Interactive wall.
Interactive wall.
It's tapped wall.
Oh.
It's for 2 people and to battles who can get more scores. But here it's not open right now.
Right now. So what I can see here is this is just not a playground. It's also, I mean, for physical abilities. It kind of indulges kids to, more, growth, the skills like climbing, rolling, jumping, even shooting some hoops over there. It's really, really amazing. And this is what you're currently promoting right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just want to ask as well, it's like, have there been installations like this in other countries?
Yes, we have exported our products to over 170 countries, and we have built over 1,000 parks around the world.
1,000 parks around the world already.
Yes,
Wow. So we're talking about like in Europe, right?
yes.
Europe, America, North America.
Yeah. In Europe, we have exported to Poland, Sweden, Spain, and Russia, and a lot of countries in Europe. And we have a lot of people in Europe, and the feedback is very good. So our products is get a very good market in the Europe. Yes.
Yeah, all right. So anyway, it's been so much fun and we're kind of running out of time and I really appreciate your tour.
Yeah.
And okay, so before that, probably in a bit, I'm going to be showing more about the factory, all right? But thank you again. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So this is just one of their showroom, just one. I'm not kidding because it's a huge showroom and we're going to be sharing all these videos right now. A while ago, I thought I was going to be ending the interview because I had so much fun, but then I learned there's something new from Liben. So Milo, can you kind of show what we have here on the side?
Here now we are in our kindergarten furniture showroom because we have just entered this business last year. This is all the furniture for the kindergarten for the little kids, and because you just see our indoor playground, trampoline, and outdoor playground. It's for the kids over 3 years. But for this furniture, it's for kindergarten. It's also for the kids under 3 years. Yeah.
Yeah, what I can see here actually, it's pretty cool. These are all like woodwork compared to what I've been seeing earlier on. All this metal, all these different materials like plastics, foam, and everything. Now this one is pretty new to me. I was going around. This is totally different part of the showroom, which is the kindergarten furniture.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so because you guys, I kind of get it though, because your research and development guys, I guess it's like you guys are related to all these trampoline parks, all this playground outdoor equipment. It's about kids. So I guess that's why it's about time you guys invest with these kindergarten furnitures as well, yeah? For school, right?
Yes, for school. For school, for kindergarten, for some preschools. Yeah, it's both okay.
All right, so it's been really a pleasure, and Milo, thank you so much for your time. So behind me right now are certifications, reports. That means whether you're from Europe, you're from North America, any part of the world, all their products are actually compliant with the standards in these regions. Like for example, I want to show you here, for example, what I have here actually is their EN1176, 1, 3, and 10. Right, they got the certification, and also they have their ISO 9001 certification in 2015. And also, I want to share here, actually there's a bunch of certificates. This is just some of them, okay? These are actually certificate of design patent. They have around, if not, but more than 60 patents. And of course, they're also compliant with the EN1146, ASTM F1487, and all these certifications or reports. That means that Liben Group Corporation is compliant from Europe, Southeast Asia, North America, South America, and basically all over the world. All right, so I'm in one of their offices right now, and it's the research and development. Now behind me are just some of the few that actually have 22 designers. These are very talented. Their tenure, we're talking about years and years of experience in this line of business. Now they are the ones who's responsible in developing new designs, developing new concepts for these type of products. And as you can see, these are just a few of them. They actually have 22. Like what I mentioned earlier, there are 22 designers under the research and development department. And a while ago, you met our friends or designers who produce new concepts. Now, actually, behind me are also research and development employees, and what they do specifically is they fit your basic needs. If you're a customer, for example, in Saudi Arabia, you're in Europe, there's a different scenarios, different environments, different locations. So to retrofit that to your needs, these guys are the ones who are responsible. They will give you other options on how to fit a specific need for your requirement. all right, to add more to their designers. Actually, behind me are also designers, but specifically what they do is they estimate the project cost. For example, if you're a customer, you have specific requirements, and these guys are actually going to piece up everything for you and then offer you the cost of the project or the specific project that you wish to have. That means, for example, if you have a specific playground set or playground amusement equipment that you want, and these guys will follow your requirements, and then they're going to share you or they're going to show you the cost of producing this for you. So these guys are also designers, aside from the ones that I featured earlier on who produce the new concepts, and then the others that I featured earlier on who are actually in charge of other things regarding with the design. So let's move to the other facility. Alright, so I'm in one of their offices right now, and this is actually the admin center where they actually take care of sales. So these are divided into 4 teams. These 4 teams actually take care of the local or domestic within China and also international sales. We're talking about different countries: North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, right? And I've heard, of course, from this team itself, these very talented ladies and gent over there, and I have here a friend of ours that I met earlier. And hello, how are you? Yeah, what's your name again?
My name is Grace.
Grace, yeah, Grace is from the international sales, right? Sales. And so I just want to ask just one question, if you don't mind. I'm just quite curious about it. So with the current how is sales going on right now? Because everybody knows, like, we have this COVID-19 all around the world, so on a business stance. So how has it been going lately?
I think we have been influenced by the situation.
Mm-hmm.
However, we still have the confidence to go up the business, and our customers, they are also have the confidence confident to us. Yes.
So, I've heard that you're actually doing a really great job here. I was asking some of your colleagues, and just keep on doing the great job. I know we're all affected with this current situation right now, but to improve the business, that takes real talent, Yes. So I congratulate you for that. Good job.
Thank you.
I'll see you around. Alright, so I am in this building right now, and this is actually their dormitory building. Now, keep in mind, one of the 5 criteria that we're looking at is the social responsibility. In this building, this dormitory building, they have 70 rooms, and there are different kinds of rooms. Let me just mention this. They have a staff dormitory, a manager's room, they have the supervisor's room, and also conjugal rooms, I think for couples. So let me just get in here, all right? I just want to share with you guys how it looks. So on this side is their comfort room toilet, which includes their washroom with hot water, complete with amenities, cold water, and all these things. And now they can fit up to 2 people in this room. There are 2 bedrooms or beddings, and then also complete with air conditioning. As you can see, they also have their personal things here, like they can watch TV, complete with Wi-Fi, internet on each of these rooms. So it's not just about a room where they can sleep, it's also about a place to rest, to sleep. It's the part of the day where you have to rejuvenate your energy, right? So they all provide this as well in this room. And you cannot see it from this video right now. Actually, I can see from here some good ventilation. I want to show you. Come here. Yeah. So they have good ventilation as well. It's not just the AC. All right. So we will move to the other section of this social responsibility criteria, which is the canteen. So let's go. Alright, so after the dormitory, behind me actually is the canteen, and in this canteen it is a privately owned restaurant which serves good food, which we had lunch earlier on. I tasted it myself. So it is also one of the criteria that we're looking at when we talk about social responsibility. Now in this canteen, they have around 200 seats. So it's a 200 person capacity at a time that can serve all the employees that are in this factory. All right, so joining me right now is Alice. who's from the International Sales Department. Hello, Alice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So Alice was actually showing me around earlier on, and actually where we are right now, we're not in a park. We're not in some amusement park. We're actually in one of their showroom. It is so amazing. I'm really blown away because aside from this one, which is on a rooftop, and it actually shows some of the products that you guys produce, right?
Yes, we produce this.
Yeah. So these are for the outdoor playground equipment, right?
Yes, all of them is for outdoor.
That's why it's on the rooftop and under the weather conditions. Maybe it's raining. It's raining right now in Yeongjwa, so it kind of simulates that right now. But anyway, I want to go straight to some of my questions. So I was going around and I'm quite curious about this, and I want to know, like, how long has the company been in the business?
10 years.
Oh, wait, yeah, 10 years. So, oh, that's why I was walking around the building. I saw the signs. It says a 10th year anniversary. When was that? It turned 10 years today or what?
Yes, it's this month, and I also work here for 10 years.
You've been here since the company started.
Yes, when I graduate from school, I go to this company, and this company start.
Oh, really? So it's like you're actually part of the growth of this company. So after university, you went straight working for this company, Liben.
Yes, I love here.
Obviously, you've been here for 10 years and it's...
Yes, I love my job also.
Okay, so aside from that, I also wanted to ask, you've been here for 10 years and you should know this very well. It's the, and you said that you love working here. So let's share this to our audience, like what is the company's mission or the company's culture? Let's give our audience a little bit more insight about this.
Okay, I work here for 10 years, and every day I never forgot our mission. It's make people healthier and happier.
Healthier and happier.
Yes.
It looks really simple, but underneath that context, actually, healthier and happy. At the end of the day, is all about being happy and being healthy.
Yes, we need to make the design more safe. It means make the people healthier, and also we need to make colorful and funny playground to make the people, the kids, happier.
So basically, the mission, the culture is to make these products promote more happiness to kids, but it doesn't end there, and also healthier and safer for the kids, right?
Yes, you're right. Yes.
Okay. But anyway, it's been a nice tour. I'm afraid we have to go. We're running out of time, and I was really so happy that I actually get to meet Alice. Thank you, Alice. Let me just hold my sign over here. So if you want to contact them directly, you can contact Alice. Okay.
Yes.
And then also you can also contact us at the CTJPA if you want to know more about this company. So for now, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. All right?
Okay,
Bye.
bye for now.